This is our longest running tent.
These come in different sizes.
Yes, we have 3 sizes. So this is our High Country series. We've made modifications over here, but we haven't had to do a ton of work to it because it's been solid. So we've got a really beefy frame here. And one of the biggest problems about soft shells is that everybody likes to complain about is the time to put it up and close it, right? But the thing about this is because this frame is, extra beefy, when you kind of close it down, the tent material doesn't really extend too far back. We use clips rather than zippers, so the whole tent underside is completely sealed up. That's another feature of our tents. And this is on the soft shells too. We have these bars. If you want to check out this one,
yeah, it's good. It's good that you have clamps and not Velcro really, for the most part.
But this is unique to us. It's a soft shell bottom, even though it's a hard shell tent.
Right.
And this eliminates a ton of weight.
I was actually doing this on my tent. Somebody was talking about trading out the mattress, and so I noticed that you can take the mattress out.
Yep.
There's a zipper to take it out, and then I noticed it right as I started messing with it. It ended, and I was like,
right.
"Whoa! Now
yeah.
there's no more tent."
Exactly.
Okay, that's cool.
Back to the High Country. We've got 3 sizes. Put it up as a breeze, this is the 63, so this is a good one for 3 people. We have the 55. Which is, we got them in the GMC booth.
Right.
We got both the 55 and the 80 is on the electric Hummer out there. But this one's the 63. You can look at all the hinge work on it. We don't skimp out on anything here at Freespirit. We make sure that it's as sturdy as can be. That's the goal there. You don't want something breaking down on you after you spend, a good amount of money on these things. But space.
The only thing I'd say for our customers real fast that I've noticed with this tent is that these bolts that hang down here, sometimes, depending upon, I think it was the 55, they come right on the edge of our side rails for our 311 Adventure Rack. So we sell a little lifter kit that lifts it just the length of that if they're in the way.
Yeah, I've seen that a couple times.
Sometimes it literally lined up right on the edge.
Yeah,
we didn't want to.
You have to shift it just slightly. If you're going for space, it's a trade-off, right? With the hard shell, you get a little bit more durability, capability. But if you want strict space, the soft shell game is where it's at. This High Country series really provides the most space. This one's larger than a queen. If you look at our 80 out on the electric Hummer, my God, that thing is a king size. It's like a Texan king, so it's massive. You can fit 5 to 6 people in that tent. But overall, that's about all of our tents. They're fantastic products. I can't speak highly enough on them. I'm out almost every weekend in it, and it's just a great product all around.
Are you gonna? Okay, so the thing about these tents they are soft shell, so when they fold up, it's pretty much like a square box on your roof. But they fold up in a square box, which now, depending on what roof rack you have, with an Overland roof rack like our 311 Adventure Rack, you have more space to throw a box up there. Maybe,
you
can keep
exactly. If you've got a full-size truck, you can put this on the back, save your roof space. You can, even on a 4Runner, you can get the 55, move it a little bit back, have one of those boxes that you could put up on top, the Pelican cases, solar panels. Yeah, on my Evo 55, I've actually got a 200-watt solid panel on top of it.
Oh, on top of it,
and it opens it up. You got to get aftermarket struts. We do sell those. And it upgrades it to 500 newtons, but it works like a charm. I wired it right down the Z-bar and powers my fridge and everything.
And then this is new, your little skylight?
Yeah, we got a little skylight in case you wanted to look at the stars at night.
Okay, let me just...
I also got the vent in the back too. We put it into this model as well.
Let me catch this and then we just... And then are there light strips in all of these now?
Yes, all tents come with them, unless you get the standard material, but we only have a few of those left. We don't really sell too many of those. We've moved just about all to the tri-layer premium, and they come with all the LED lights and everything.
Okay, LED lights. And then do people pick them up, or do they order them and you ship them to... You ship them to your house now, right?
Yeah, it's free shipping right to your house. It's entirely up to you. We have 2 locations. We got one here in Bend and one in Golden. So if you're in the area, feel free to swing by. We're happy to get you all hooked up. But by all means, if you go through the website, I mean, we can just ship it right to you free of charge. It's on a freight pallet. You know, it arrives within about 5 to 6 days after time of purchase. So quick ship time.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Look at that.
Hey, Tanner.
All right, get some more photos.
Great.